Welcome to Millennial Solar channel. This video is the standard operating procedure for portable EL tester. Place the module sample vertically with the light receiving surface facing outward. Turn on the portable EL tester and check the entire set of equipment to ensure all spare parts are complete. Take out the tripod and adjust it manually. Take out the camera and lens, then assemble them manually. Remove the camera lens cap. Secure the camera onto the tripod. Take out the transformer power supply and connect it to the module. Turn on the transformer to power the module. Turn on the camera. Look through the viewfinder and adjust the distance from the test sample. Adjust the framing to ensure the sample is the main object. And press the menu button in the upper left corner. Use the directional buttons on the left side of the camera to select Setup menu. Find the Wi-Fi option in the menu. Set the network connection to enable. Turn on the tablet and connect to the camera's Wi-Fi. Once connected, open the testing software. Click the upper right corner to enter the shooting control interface. Adjust the camera parameters according to testing requirements. Click Shoot to capture the image. After shooting, check the photos in the software album. Analyze the module condition based on the photos, and make a judgment.